Hi everyone, in this short video, we'll talk about how pricing works in OneCart, including updating prices, setting single and special prices, and how to use bulk upload discounts to save time when managing multiple listings. Let's start with single price. First, you would like to go to the left-hand menu and click on View Inventory, View Edit Single SKUs. Here you are able to select the SKU that you would like to change the prices. This is your product standard selling price. You click on the price updates for this specific SKU, and what you see here is the standard selling price. You can update the single price directly here by clicking on the pencil cursor and change the price. OneCart will then update the price for Lazada. So you are able to change the price according to the platform. This will immediately reflect across the selected platform. Make sure the price you enter reflects on the platform. Next is special price. Special price is only available for Lazada and Shopee. This is used for promotion or discounted periods, for example during a sale. So when you set the special price, OneCart will automatically push that discounted price to your connected store. For example, this would be for the Lazada OneCart demo shop during the promotion period. So once the promo ends, it reverts back to your original single price. Here is where you are able to select the start date and the end date. And here will be where you key in your special price. Make sure you click on save to ensure that the price update in your platform when the special price start date has begun. Third, we are able to also update your prices via bulk upload. So if you were to go into your, you can download your inventory, go under View Inventory, View Edit Single SKU, you can export your variants, which means you will export your product list in OneCart, and all the information that you have keyed in OneCart, especially all those SKUs that are in your OneCart inventory, will be exported. However, if you only have a specific SKUs that you would like to update the prices for, you can open it up and be sure that you can check on your first row and check on the column. You'll be able to see the column saying retail price and unique cost price. So you can update your retail price and your unique cost price in your CSV or your Excel file like this, and ensure to save it. So for an example, if this unique cost price is $10, you can then save it and then upload it in OneCart using the bulk upload feature that we have here. Click on the upload an Excel file, choose your file and select the file that you have just edited and save. Here you are able to see the columns and ensure that the columns are assigned to the correct field in OneCart. So what you want to look at is the retail price and unique cost price. Once this is done, you can click on next. And here is where you're able to review your bulk upload before confirming it. And you can check here if your retail price and your unique cost price is correct. Should you want to make any changes, you are able to make changes directly on this page. Once you are done, you can click on Start My Import. To check if your import was successful, go back to your bulk upload page and you are able to see whether the upload was a success. You will also receive an email stating whether your bulk upload is successful or whether it is not successful. Next, we'll be talking about the bulk upload discounts. Similar to bulk price updates, you can also upload discount details in bulk. This is perfect for campaigns. So prepare your discount details in the provided bulk upload template where you're able to download it here under new bulk update discounts. There's a very quick tutorial where you're able to understand more about how the bulk discount works in OneCart by clicking here. You're able to learn on how to bulk update special prices on Shopee and Lazada. Take your time to watch this video. Alternatively, what we can do is click on new bulk discount. You are able to see with the template given, you can write the discount name, which means it could be the campaign that you are having or the campaign that is ongoing. Have the start date and the end date. Please be sure that the start date must be an hour from now, and the end date time maximum would be 180 days in the future. So again, like I mentioned, special prices and bulk discount prices is especially only for Lazada and Shopee. So you can download your sample here, and it will look as simple as just two columns, your variance SKU and the discounted price. Have this all filled up, save it, and upload it here in OneCart. Once that is done, you are able to see whether your file will appear here, and you're able to see when it was created at, and to check on platform by clicking on this button, it will bring you to the Seller Center link. That's it. You now know how to manage your product pricing efficiently in OneCart, from single price and special price to bulk updates and discount. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at hello@lekmantech.com, or you can feel free to check out our knowledge base, which consists of all the articles related to OneCart. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.